Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Miftah Jana and I would like to present the video about communicative competence in SLA. Okay, let's start. First, definitions according to Dale Hymes. The speakers who can produce any and all of the grammatical sentence of language. According to Dale Hymes, communicative competence include the first, knowledge of the grammar and vocabulary. Second, including knowledge of oral speaking. The third, include knowledge of how to use language appropriately. And then the fourth, include knowledge of how to use and respond to different types of speech, acts, and social conventions. Next, definitions according to Seville Troik. It is what a speaker needs to know to communicate appropriately within a particular language community. Communicative competence refers to as a group of people who share knowledge of a common language. And then, differences between monolingual and multilingual communicative competence are due in part, first, because the different social functions of first and second language learning, and then because the differences between learning language and learning culture. Next, second language, foreign language, or auxiliary language. So, second language is generally learned and used within the context of the language community. Second, students learning will usually do so within the context of their own native culture. And it is often have a little opportunity to interact with members of the language community. The third, auxiliary language is learned in a context where it will function for political or technological purposes. So, here are the conclusions of communicative competence. It is what a speaker needs to know to communicate appropriately within a particular language community. Second, communicative competence not only involves of vocabulary, phonology, grammar, and other aspects of linguistic structure, but also it involves knowing when to speak or not, what to say to whom, and how to say it appropriately in any situations, and involves the social and cultural knowledge which enable the speakers to use and interpret linguistic forms. Okay, that's all I have to say about this. Thank you.